Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 22, Example 4. In this example, we want to solve the inequality negative x over 4 is greater than 5, write our answer in interval notation, and graph the solution set. Note that we solve linear inequalities in the same way that we do linear equations. We want to get our variable on one side and everything else on the other side by using inverse operations. A new thing that we have to be careful about when working with inequalities is that if we are multiplying or dividing both sides of the inequality by a negative number, the inequality needs to change. If we are multiplying or dividing both sides by a positive value, the inequality stays the same. In this problem, it looks like the only thing we need to move to the other side is the negative 4. The inverse of dividing by negative 4 is to multiply both sides by negative 4. When we do this, we will get negative 4 times negative x over 4, and because we are multiplying both sides by a negative number, we switch the inequality to less than negative 4 times 5. This will simplify to be x is less than negative 20, which is our final answer to the inequality part of this problem. Next, let's write this in interval notation. The answer to this inequality is an open interval because we are not including where x is equal to negative 20, just strictly where x is less than negative 20. Note that anytime we have infinity or negative infinity in interval notation, we always use a curved in on that end. And since we are not including where x equals negative 20, we also have a curved in with the negative 20. So the final answer for the interval notation will be a curved in with negative infinity, comma, negative 20 with another curved in to give us an open interval of negative infinity to negative 20. Last, we need to graph this. The graph will look like the interval notation. We will have a curved in at negative 20, and to show everything less than negative 20, we will shade in everything to the left of negative 20 for our final answer for the graph.